This episode is brought to you by tutorjobsonline.com. You can go to jdmediaonline.net/tutor. With everything that's going on and the jobs going online, along with tutoring online with school and kids doing schoolwork, this is a great time to get involved. Here are some of the benefits that you can get by teaching/tutoring online. $30 to $50 per hour teaching online classes, $15 to $25 per hour tutoring online, or $500 per month per student. No experience required on minor subjects. Work as little or as much as you want. Set your own working schedule. Teach or tutor no matter where you are in the world. Fast and easy payments via PayPal, online check, or wire transfer. There is a growing demand, and especially with everyone doing schooling online, it is growing. So please support us. Go to jdmediaonline.net/tutor to find out more. Now let's get on to the episode.
This article will probably get you upset just a little bit, and this kind of shows where some of the local authorities, again, I've been saying in many of my videos, President Trump is giving the power to the local authorities. And this article talks of the arrest of an Idaho mother at a closed playground with her children and sparks protest. So I'm not going to, I believe there is a little video, I'm not going to go ahead and play it, but a mother of two was arrested by police in Meridian, Idaho on Tuesday after she supposedly violated the city's ban against using playground equipment at a local park when she and other families allowed their children to play in a closed-off area. Within hours of her interaction with law enforcement, part of which was caught on video, demonstrators congregated in front of Meridian City Hall to protest the actions of the local government. One of the things, Sarah Brady, 40, was arrested, charged with 1 count of misdemeanor trespassing. One of the things it talks of on the video is her husband is a police officer too. At least 2 videos of Brady's interaction with police begin circulating across the internet. One shows the mother arguing to police, and she and others were not trespassing, asking the officers if they were going to arrest everyone for not social distancing over there, while pointing to people off camera. After counting to 5, the officer handcuffs Brady, and she is walked off. Another woman, and this is why they are so focused. This is unconstitutional. It's unconstitutional. But there was a lady heard yelling, "Her kids are here! Her kids are here!" What is going to happen? Who's got her kids? So that officer is taking this lady, leaving her kids. If she would just walk off and leave her kids, she'd probably be accused of child abuse. So, be consistent. It's crazy. It's crazy what power does to people. So, I will have the link to both these articles, as always, in the description. And I'm just going to stop right now and ask you, would you subscribe, share, and connect with us? I normally do it at the end of the video, but I'm asking you to subscribe and like the video and share. Okay, Missouri sues China for damages over coronavirus pandemic, and I love this. There are states that are kind of kicking back. The state of Missouri has become the first in the U.S. to file a lawsuit against the Chinese government seeking damages for the loss of lives, economic destruction resulting from the coronavirus pandemic that originated in Wuhan, China. Attorney General Eric Schmidt sued the People's Republic of China, the Communist Party of China, and several other Chinese authority bodies on Tuesday, accusing the defendants of deceptive practices and downplaying the severity of the outbreak to the rest of the world. An appalling campaign of deceit, concealment, and many other things by Chinese authorities. So this is, to me, this is very good. The states And the United States, I think it will end up growing into a more powerful movement, holding China accountable. Of course, President Trump had mentioned, actually he's been mentioning for most of his presidency about China. He's been doing these trade deals, trying to put America first. Not trying, he is putting America first. He's been warning us about China. So it's great to see states starting to step up. Missouri's the first. I hope there are more states that will step up. I'm sure it will be something different in the international court, but this is just one of those things that I think it is great that there are people that are standing up and not allowing us to be run over. So I want to remind you again, subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels. I will have the links to these articles in our video description. Thank you again for watching. We will catch you on the next video.